Uyghur TRT journalist Mir Kamil Kashgali revealed how Chinese men deceived young Pakistani women with forged documents to portray themselves as Muslims. The women then are forced to marry. After that, their organs are often being sold in China. Due to allegations of corruption, the former governor of China, Nur Bikri, was arrested in September 2018 in Beijing. The High Chinese Court condemned Bikri for corruption, law-abiding and judicial obstruction. The president of the East Turkestan Information Center describes the former governor of the Uyghur region as a loyal collaborator of the Chinese occupiers, yet the allegations of Chinese justice are untenable. China's brutal acting against the loyal Bikri is probably to explain with his Uyghur ancestry. Ömer Bekali, a former inmate of a detention center in East Turkestan, spoke in Sweden at an Amnesty International event on China's policy of assimilation. Bekali also reported his 8 months in labor camp. Thousands of Uyghur women are forced by the tragic developments in East Turkestan to marry Chinese men. Already most of the Uyghur men are interned. Chinese spies are installed in families under the guise of family support, so women have little chance of escaping forced marriage. The US Senate has approved a law designed to stop Saudi Arabia's military support in Yemen. Trump is now expected to intervene by veto the decision. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu portrayed himself as responsible for Gaza by offering control over the area to all leaders of the Arab world. None of them was interested in the proposal, says Netanyahu.